I remember they first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juice as intake. Therefore the smiley faces from these
Just came back from Julie's exhibition and we're feeling pretty inspired.
So inspired.
And now we're about to hit some bowling with our friends before John and Lena leave. It's going to be the last thing that they do. We'll catch up with the whole crew. And we're about to win. There's big stakes at hand. And we are not taking an L this time. We're definitely taking a W. Oh yeah! Damn! Shit the bed, dude. So hypnotized with every line. I don't need you to volunteer. How about you guys? Come on down to the college. Right here, man, don't be shy. I'll have you time back. Have your mind back. You can try to inherit speak before they ask you. Even this is the one. 14 boy. Coming in hot. That is 3 X's in a row for Liam. 3 X's in a row. We officially have our new bath towels that just arrived, and we're very excited because we've been living in the shower without a bath mat for a while. Oh yeah. Oh, they're pretty good size too, they're not too big. Whoa, very cool colour, very cool.
Let's go test it out.
Test vision boarding big time. Yeah, it looks really cool. Oh yeah, that looks sick. And it matches
The plant pot I got.
the plant pot. Look at that.
People to go. Going outside, looking around, there's a picture.
So Tessa's new desk has arrived. I'm a bit jealous because it's a beautiful colour and it's huge, which is going to be sick for work. So yeah, we're just getting it up and ready. It's going to go right here. You'll see the finished product.
No, it's not going to go back in easily.
So we're going on a little date night. It's Valentine's Day. So it's okay.
For all the gals watching. Oh, for the ladies. Sabi the label. Hara the label. Elias May. My nana and granddad's wedding band. My papa's and my dad's ring.
Yeah.
What's that?
Cheers, English.
Oh.
You did not get me on that. That's great. So we have some new plants that we're going to be potting very
I've
soon.
been propagating basil.
And we just had lunch.
A green butter salad.
Anyway, we're about to put some plants. A ficus fiddle. We're gonna put this one, Frida.
Her name's Frida, and I bought her 7 years ago.
Wow, crazy.
But she's not grown that big because I've never taken her out the pot that she came in. We're about to put her in a huge pot, and she's going to grow so big. Hello.
So we are potting some plants for our new apartment. Get them all ready. getting them re-soiled.
Liam has been buying $10 granola from the shop, so I'm gonna make it for him.
Excited to see it. I honestly haven't filmed in a few weeks. It's been a little while since I picked up this camera and filmed intentionally, and so yeah, thought it'd be time to bring it back. To be honest, life has been a bit more of a slower pace as of late. Me and Tess moved into the new place. We've been settling in. I've been having long days of deep work, been cooking, hitting Pilates, just like a really simple routine that's actually been incredibly enjoyable, and I've absolutely loved it. And I think I'm in such a good groove at the moment with just routine and, you know, going through the day, being very intentional with what I'm doing, and it's been great. And I've really just had no need to pick up a camera and film because YouTube hasn't been the focus. There hasn't been as much going on, but just wanting to get back into it. I think finally craving a little bit of documenting again, which I wasn't for a while, so that's why I'm picking it back up, and hopefully can get some little life videos going on over the next few weeks. But I also want to show you guys the new space because it's really cool, and I want to show you what a day kind of looks there, waking up, working, cooking, living in that area, because it's pretty inspiring and it's definitely a really nice area to be in while you kind of work on some big goals and some really big projects. So yes, that is the update, but all is well. I'm going to see Dylan this morning. We're going to catch up, go for a swim, grab a coffee, and just hang out for a bit. He's been living over in Byron for a little while, so it'll be nice to catch up with him. But yeah, just thought I would jump on here and give you guys a little bit of update what's been happening. Life is good, life is chilling. I've got a few more shoots coming up. I haven't been shooting for a while because I've been deep in the video, photo editing world. Oh, there goes the camera. But also I've been working on Nostalgia Studios and some other products that are tied.
I feel like when you film people with one of them as well, compared to dudes with like Sony or something, it's like a lot more cool for the person.
Men's just hit a big 5K run, getting some cramps
Dude,
going.
trying to grab my avocado and start cramping up in the lot for my coffee, bro.
Cheers to that.
Cheers,
Let's go. That's so funny. I've got to give my.
We got to do a grocery shop.
We've actually got to go shopping.
To my nana's.
Oh, nice.
Taking a dinner. How does that feel?
There's at this time of the day, there's this bit of light that comes through here,
That's nice.
and if you stand in it, it's really artsy.
It looks angelic. Let me get a shot of you then.
No, I was gonna say you or Liam get in there.
Is that where the artwork's at?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. You got to walk forward so that it goes on your face. Keep going. Go to your right. Right. No, that's the other leg. That goes straight.
Out.
Yeah. Keep going so it goes on your face. Maybe step to your right. Yeah. Keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck yeah. Dude, this thing's a beast, hey.
It's fun to film on, to be honest. It makes filming like kind of like gamey because it's like.
Dude, it's addictive to film on.
Yeah, I know. You're like.
How much is this?
I remember they first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juice and intake. Therefore the smiley faces from